Have you heard of the term zigzag stitch, but you're not quite sure what it is or how to do it? Now, unfortunately, each machine will be different in how to set up your zigzag, so you'll need to refer to your manual or come over to the Facebook group and I can answer your question there. But a zigzag stitch is generally done on the edge of the fabric there, and it's one method of stopping the fabric from fraying. And it's called zigzag because it looks like a zigzag. So if you had sewn this up and then thrown it in the wash without the zigzag on it, then all these bits here would pull off and your garment would fall to bits. But if you put the zigzag on the edge, then it will stop it doing that. The other method is using an overlocker or serger.